Okay, let's talk about something that makes any drawing that you have way better, okay? It's very simple. You can do it even without like practicing it per se. So we're going to dive right into it. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button. I'm going to be teaching here. I'm going to be drawing long drawings. I'm going to go over anything you want. And if you have a suggestion for like a drawing or something you want to learn, I'll go over it right in the comments and I'll make it happen, okay? Or just say hi. Okay, let's go into it. So here's King Kong, right? There's a couple of things about him that I'm thinking about while I'm doing this drawing, right? And something that's incredibly easy to, I would say it's easy and it's not easy, and that is flow. So, easy thing right here would be to look at the hair, right? When you're drawing hair in general, the hair is wrapping around the shape. So let's look at his cheek right here. His cheek, if we're to look at him, his cheek, so if we're to look at the side of the head over here, if we're to draw a little bit more simply, right? If we think of the head as a little bit more of a block, there is the front side of the face right here, and then there is the side of the face over here on this side, right? The hair over here on this side is actually representing the side of the face right there. This is this side. So the hair is going to naturally lean downward a bit and lean back. And most of the hair, although it will change direction a little bit, is going to, how do you say? It's going to all flow in one general direction, very similar to like a stream. So it's going to go down here, right? I'm not going to draw an arrow on it because it's going to screw it up, but it's going to go down here and it's all going to flow in the same direction. So now that you think about this part as a large mass, right? These little lines that you're doing doesn't really matter as far as the little lines themselves, as long as they're going the right direction. So it's not like you're going 1, 2, 3 and you're measuring out every single line next to each other. It's just that they go in the right direction that really matters, and that they're, more or less either flat to the surface of the face that you're trying to portray. So that doesn't matter. Same thing. Oopsie, move the camera. Right here, same thing. So the front of the face, same thing. See, the flow is going to go upward right there. Sorry if the shadow of my hand is blocking this, but the flow of the hair is generally going to flow upward. Think about it again like a stream, right? That sort of thing. You're thinking of the surface that it's actually going on. So just something to think about. It's just a quick tip. It's just something that helps your drawing out immensely. So your hair is not everywhere, right? So you're not just like messy all over the place. Very simple thing. I hope you found this tip very, helpful. I do want to reach out to some of you and say, hey, how's it going? So reach out to me in the comment section. I'm going to be posting pretty much almost every day, and I want to hear your feedback, okay? Thank you so much. Stick around. We're going to jump into the next lesson. You're going to see on the top right-hand corner. Go click on that, and I'll talk to you later.